Since 1980, we've been making some of the finest doors and drawers in the world. We treat every door like it's our own. We treat every drawer like it's our own. We're here to take things off your plate so you can focus on the things that matter, which is getting the job done. From the very beginning, we cut every part to an exact spec, and we calibrate that spec every single day. When we machine our parts, we do it with some of the world's finest cope and stick machinery that's capable of delivering machine parts that are second to none in the entire world. We assemble our doors on a massive clamp that allows proper cure time to make sure each one of those doors is able to cure in a square manner. But that squareness isn't enough for us. After that, we bring it over to a CNC where it's perfectly squared using high shear diamond tooling. We calibrate those machines on a weekly basis to make sure they're square within 1/1000th of an inch. Our sanding is second to none. We dimension sand to a very consistent thickness. That thickness is calibrated every single week, which makes sure our doors are the exact thickness that is specified. Then our doors are robotically sanded to make sure that there's no cross-grain scratching and that every single door has very consistent sanding. Finally, it goes through an edge sander, which puts a very consistent trim on the edge, which makes sure the paint sticks to every single door exactly the same. The decision to outsource doors has been a really challenging one for many of our customers. We hear it again and again that there's just not enough time in the day, there's not enough weekend time to get the doors and drawers done. So when customers come to us looking for a partner, what they're doing is they're getting back time and they're getting back efficiency. They come to us, they get a consistent product with high quality, but in reality they get peace of mind that they're gonna get that product that's gonna fit perfectly into their job and get that job done on time and on budget.